What's going on YouTube? In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to get back the App Store here on your iPhone. For example, if you're trying to search here for the App Store and you're unable to find it, if you've accidentally uninstalled it or deleted it, do not worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install it back here on your iPhone. Because this has just happened to me and I've quickly found the solution for this, so I'm bringing it to you guys today. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about reinstalling the App Store or getting it back here into your iPhone. And do not worry, this works on any iPhone model. In my case, I've gotten here an iPhone 12, but if you've got a different phone such as an iPhone X, 11, 13, 14, 15, or even 16, do not worry, because the steps are exactly the same. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing in here is actually perform a forced restart on our iPhone, okay? What we need to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This is how it goes. 1, 2, 3. I'm pressing and holding the power button. Keep on pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo here on your screen. I'm still pressing the button, okay? Do not release it. Keep on holding, and as soon as you see the Apple logo, you're gonna release the power button and let your phone turn on, okay? Now, if you've got an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus model, in order to perform the forced restart, you're gonna press and hold the volume down along with the power button. So you're gonna press both of the buttons until you see the Apple logo and then release them, okay? Now, if you've got an old iPhone such as an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5, what you're going to be doing is you're going to press the power button along with the home button here. Usually there's a physical home button. So you're going to press the physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo here on your screen, okay? In some phones such as the iPhone 5 or 4, the power button is here at the top. So you're going to press the power button along with the physical home button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, once this is done, we're going to unlock our phone and search for App Store. Now, if you're still unable to find the App Store in here, do not worry, we're moving into the second step. In my case, the first step here did not work. So the second step is the following. We're going to be jumping straight into settings on our phone, and next up, we're gonna scroll down, okay? We're gonna scroll down all the way to screen time right here, okay? So once you find screen time, you're gonna tap once on screen time, and then this new screen is gonna show up here, okay? So what you're gonna be doing is scrolling down and then tapping here on content and privacy restrictions, okay? You're gonna tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then the next thing we're gonna be doing is tapping here on iTunes and App Store purchases. So if this is toggled off, you're gonna turn it on, and then you're gonna tap here on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now, once you're here, we've got in here the first option, which says installing apps, which is set to don't allow, right? So you're gonna tap once on here, and then you're gonna tap here on allow, okay? If this is off, you're gonna turn it on by tapping on allow. You're gonna go back, once again, back once again, back once again, and then you're gonna close your settings app. So once this is done, we're gonna immediately perform the forced restart once again, which is, in my case, volume up, volume down, and then pressing and holding the power button until we see the Apple logo, okay? So if you have a much older iPhone model, repeat the same process as I've just said in the previous minute ago, okay? Wait for a couple seconds, release the power button as soon as you see the Apple logo here, let it turn on. And here we go. My phone is now turned on. I'm gonna quickly unlock my phone. Let it process for a few seconds. And then let me quickly search for the App Store right now. As you guys can see, the App Store is already here. The issue has been solved. As you can see, here's the App Store. And the next thing we're going to be doing in here is actually press and dragging the App Store here all the way to the home screen, okay? And then we're gonna swipe up to deactivate the jiggling mode over there. So once this is done, we now have the App Store here on our main screen, and the next thing I'm gonna be doing is tapping on App Store to open App Store itself. So here we go, we've got our App Store installed back into our iPhone device. Now, another thing you need to check is if you've got any parental restrictions application. Okay, so there are a few applications, for example, such as Screen Zen, for example. This is one app that actually locks or creates certain restrictions to certain applications here on your phone. There is Screen Zen, there's OneSec, and many others. I'm just trying to let you guys know that you need to double check if you have any of these apps installed, okay, over here, because if you've got it, you need to actually open it and double check if it's not creating any restriction here to access the App Store. This is a common issue that happens also on many iPhone devices. Please let me know in the comment section down below if this fix really helped you. If it didn't help you, leave a comment down below as well, and I'll guide you forward in order to help you fixing your issue. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.